5 years ago this week, our whole world changed. In mid-March 2020, the country shut down and workers across Canada were told to stay home to protect themselves from COVID-19. But healthcare workers, you face this unknown threat head on every single day. So many of you were sent into work with inadequate PPE or none at all. You isolated from your families, slept in hotels and camper trailers, whatever it took to be there for all of us. In recognition of the tremendous sacrifices and dedication that Unifor Health Care workers exemplified during the pandemic and every day since, Unifor is introducing its first annual Healthcare Workers Week.
This is a week to remind us to fight. Public health care is at risk if we don't. During the recent Ontario election, Unifor made healthcare a priority, demanding investments in public services and fair wages for healthcare workers. Ontarians made it clear that healthcare is a top concern, but instead of strengthening the public system, Premier Ford is funneling public money into private for-profit care, driving up costs and worsening the staffing crisis. We need real solutions, access to primary health care, better wages, safer working conditions, and a fully funded public system that puts patients before profits. We won't stand by while Ford sells off our health care. We need every Ontarian to stand with healthcare workers in this fight.
We all need healthcare. We know what for-profit healthcare looks like, and we must reject cuts to our public system that will lead to privatization. We have to support the public system, and that starts with supporting healthcare workers. Premier Houston and other Conservative premiers across Canada are finding ways to justify paying double, triple, or more for private nurses, private mental health care, and other services. Private health care isn't what Canadians want. Unifor and our many allies have been fighting to expand public health care for decades and winning. We've expanded pharmacare and won dental care for seniors and children, and we can't stop now. So reach out and thank a healthcare worker and stand with Unifor every day to support public health care for all.
Join us in thanking our healthcare heroes.
Fight with us to keep Canada's treasured public health care strong.
Stand with Unifor to recognize healthcare workers and all they do. Happy Healthcare Workers Week.